Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I install my Vogelzang pallet stove. The Vogelzang pallet stove is the model is VG5790 to heat up my house because I have high ceiling. And then I pick up this kit right here. This is a pallet stove rating system kit. This is a starting kit. Came with all this part piece right here for you to right here. That's all the pieces you need to install it to get it started. And all you need, the tool you need is just jigsaw. And this is my Vogelzang pallet stove. And this is how I want to rent it out. I connect this and the T right here, and then I'm gonna cut the hole right here. I already measure it to rent it outside. Well, I'll show you guys later after I finish. Install Vogelzang pallet stove. Just complete. Now it's ready to light up, to fill up the pallet. I'll show you how I install my bag. I put the pipe here. I put a T bracket and 90. And it's complete. Now it's ready to try to light up.
I have the power on.
That back?
Yeah. Can you shut off the power when we're filling it?
Huh?
Can we shut off the power when we're filling it?
It's gonna take about 2 hours for smoke. First starting will be 2 hours smoke.
So I should be wearing a smog mask or something.
Start heating up now. This is the first time light it up. It's gonna be, people say gonna be smoke, expecting smoke. It's heating up. No heat yet, but it's lighting up.